that off. I thought I was Beyonce for a minute. Girl, you tripping.
Beyonce. You know who you really look like? You look like Luther Vandross.
Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. You think you know me, but don't know my story. You're saying things about me, but you don't know my history. Going on what you heard all up through these city streets. Yeah, my name is Tiffany, but you know me as Queen. No, I haven't got a ring, but your nigga want me. But I'm way too focused, leveled up on my journey, blocking out negativity, making dreams reality. They think I'm trying to come be, but nigga, I'm in my own league. Ain't no member, I am the team. I'm your homie's fantasy. Your homegirl's trying to work for me. Right, my mama's so pressed, she's calling. Lost my baby last year. I had to cry my last tear. My heart broke into pieces, cause the one I trusted didn't want me near. I played the fool since high school, thinking everybody loved you. Got her over and over by the people I was close to. Every year I lost one, but it made me stronger. That's why I'm a loner. Can't trust these niggas that's on song. Can't work with everybody, everybody ain't good. I'm not that naive little girl from Green Acres Hood. I'm intelligent and relevant, life's so good. I'm trying to stay prison free and get to Hollywood. Got a smile to keep from killing, still working on my healing, getting white with my fitness, man. God is my witness. You don't want no drama with me, cause it's never ever ending. Every time you hear my songs, yeah, you know I put you in it. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Your girl appreciate it. Okay, I definitely appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is called Hair by Sam 022. The order number is CC611. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The cap size is size 1, which is the circumference is 21.5 inches to 22 inches. The cap construction is cap B, glueless lace front, 200% density, and it says 10-inch transparent Swiss lace, light brown. Okay, so those are the details and stuff, the details and specs that I have on this wig. Now, I do want to go ahead and say that I do feel like this unit is a little snug, so I would suggest getting whatever size is your size. Okay, so I'm an average cap size, and to me, this unit basically fits perfect, like perfect. So, But if you have a larger head, I don't think it'll work whatsoever, even if it's just a little bit larger than mine. But as far as small to medium, that's what I'm gonna say. This unit is small to medium head friendly. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any tangling. It did shed a little bit, and I'm not sure if that's from when I cut, you know, where around my ear. It could be from that, but I do want to throw it out there because this is a blonde unit, and in my opinion, 613s, blondes, or whatever, do tend to shed a little bit. Now, I want to go ahead and say, y'all, I did not bleach no knots. I did not tweeze anything. Oh, girl woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this. This doggone wig is definitely the ultimate beginner-friendly lace front wig. Okay, all of their wigs so far have been the ultimate beginner-friendly lace fronts, and you can know your girl lazy. You know your girl lazy, so I'm always looking for that in any wig. Bring them on, okay? So I love that for me. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so you know me, I like to start on the cons because I like to end on a high note. If I had to think of a con, it would be the same con that I basically give for these units. And one other thing, they have on here that the unit is 200% density. This unit is not giving 200% density to me. It's giving more so 180. So I do want to throw that out there. It's not a con for me, but I think if you're looking for that and you get it and it doesn't feel like that, I don't want you coming for me, girl, because I told you. Okay, I told you. Honey, y'all can let me know what you think down below. And the other con would be just that right in here, you basically have this parting space and it goes all the way back perfectly, but on the sides, you don't have a whole lot of parting space. So I do want to throw that out there as well, and yeah, that's it. Now, honey, my pros is endless. Let's start with this color. This color is freaking life, honey. Okay, it is serving. Also, the fact that I did not have to tweeze it, I did not have to bleach the knots. Child, girl. Also, I love the texture of this hair. Now, they do say that it is silky. It doesn't feel silky to me, but I mean, that's what they say, so that's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, those are my pros. Okay, y'all, so I would definitely recommend this wig. I think this wig is definitely some summer hair. Honey, it'll have you feeling like Beyonce, girl, okay? It'll have you feeling like Beyonce. You can't tell me. You can't tell me I'm not Beyonce right now. I don't care what you said. And just overall, the fact that it's so beginner friendly and so lazy girl friendly. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so I can wrap this thing. We can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am, because your girl is definitely feeling this wig. Sound off down below in the comments and let me know your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. I also want to throw out there that I do have my Amazon store listed down below. If you want to check out some of the products that you've seen me use, check that link down below in the description box. And yeah, once again, shout out to Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and weekly.